I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in JA. Is that true? In Nice, France. But I'm always feeling like I'm in Jamaica when I'm this happy. Anyway, say good morning, fam bam.
Wagwan midaya panigaza.
Sarah, your turn.
Kwan.
You okay?
Okay.
Say yes, mama.
Mama.
Where are we going?
I'm going to supermarket to go to shopping.
Yeah. You guys are here? She's going to supermarket to go to shopping. Where is my baby? Where has my baby gone? She's just growing up so much. Chatting away and forming sentences. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys, we have a series of errands to run on the road today. Where did it go? Where is it? Oh no. Okay, mama soon look for it, okay? Anyway, you guys, so as I was saying, we have a series of stuff that we want to do on the road today. First stop will be supermarket, and then we'll come back home, give you guys a supermarket haul, have lunch and all that, and then we're gonna park the car, take the public transport and go into town to run a little more errands there. But I'll take you guys along, so I won't give you all the details of what exactly I'm going to do. Anyway, so hopefully you guys will stick and stay to watch the entire vlog, and don't skip, you guys. It means a lot to me when you watch the vlog and watch the ads and even click on some of the ads that play. It means much. It makes a difference. Anyway, you guys, it's Saturday. We have a long weekend because it's holiday on Monday and Tuesday. So I'll get to rest a bit and self-care a bit this weekend, which I so need. So I'm looking forward to the long weekend, and in the same breath we're going to let the kids have some fun. At least one of the days we'll take the kids somewhere to have a little, you know, fun, because they're also on 2 weeks holiday. If you guys don't know that the kids are on holiday break, yes, they're on 2 weeks break. Week 1 has ended and week 2 is about to start. So anyway, stick and stay. Love you guys. Babe has gone inside to come back, so you guys will see him on the road. So deuces, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay encouraged, be kind to one another, use time management to knock out your day. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys for the rest of today. No, you can't do that without Sarah. You're not easy.
Sarah?
Sarah, hurry! She have to go put her shoes in the right spot first.
We're going to...
That's my job.
No.
Yara, you want to say it with me?
Yes.
No, you say it's time for the...
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
It's
time for the...
Supermarket haul!
If you guys could see the wrecking in her face when she go, when she get excited. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Let's
at
go.
the doctor when the doctor asks.
Babe took her to the doctor on Thursday, and babe, so when the doctor asked her, how are you, Sarah? She go, alright, Tyler have 2 bags today, which means we buy a lot of fancy stuff. Yes?
Raspberries.
You want raspberries? Okay, let's find it.
You see how crazy things? When you have funny things, the bill is fine. When we have
Help.
healthy things, the bill explodes.
Okay, there we go. Babe was saying when we have fatty things, the bills are not high, and when we have healthy things, the bill explodes.
Hey,
What's this?
baby.
C'est quoi en français?
Pommes.
Yes!
Duck noodles.
Very good.
That
What's
is a
this?
new noodle fan.
Chicken noodles.
Yes!
Pork noodles.
It's.
Pay attention.
I want to say some things to.
Rabbit noodles.
I want
Papa talking.
I want to say
your boss.
some things to all of the artists, the realizator that do superhero or cartoon like Naruto or things like this. Make the hero eat beans and broccoli and cucumber. You want to eat ramen like Naruto if Naruto was eating green bean and broccoli.
So true.
Green bean
That's
and broccoli.
your raspberry mama gonna wash it.
That's
for you.
very important that
That
the hero,
is so
the superhero,
Eat healthy things.
right.
That is true, baby. If you never talk no truth, you're talking this morning.
Yeah, one shoot per month.
1 shoot per month. I believe you. 1 shoot per
Happy biscuits.
You have raspberry
Sarah.
They branch.
Sarah, look.
and orange. Where is raspberry coming from?
I don't know.
Portugal.
Watch Sarah. She get happy. She eating raspberries.
And I did a branch.
Okay, let's
We
go.
have
back.
juice, a little juice.
We have Nutella bar.
Where this is coming from?
I have no idea, and I really don't mind.
Morocco.
I buy extra flour because Tyler, of course, one cup for the week. Sarah, what is this?
Look at it.
No, it's flour.
Look at it.
Pay attention.
I'm looking.
I'm into the where it's coming from today.
Cookie.
So it comes from France. What you doing?
Mama, can I have the cucumber? I want to do something. Mama, can I have the cucumber? Can I do something?
You're gonna stop with it. Well, Tyler and I have two different ideas with the cucumber. Babe, so what you doing? Wait, I know the camera battery was gonna die. I'm gonna change that. Come back. Come, let's finish up. Let's go.
Bar
We're back.
for Mama.
Yeah. What's that, Sarah?
Right.
Number for Mama.
Yeah.
Spain, broccoli.
And this week I am back with coconut. You know
For
why?
the family.
Coconut drops.
Are you gonna do for the
My
people that
second
are there?
teacher is jealous that she didn't get any of the drops, so I'm gonna make drops, and this time I'm gonna leave home for Tyler.
Oh, Tyler. Okay.
Yeah.
We have salad from Spain.
That's a babe.
Spain, Portugal, Morocco stuff here.
Yeah.
Bar
Mayonnaise.
chocolat.
Pain au chocolat pas.
What?
Tyler love pain au chocolat, chocolate bread. And for Sarah to write.
What is that, Sarah?
Yes.
And
What's this?
pumpkin.
Yeah, you're gonna cut it out and scare your face.
It's Halloween face.
You guys know my kids love Halloween, so I buy
Jack
chicken
o'
pumpkin
lantern.
for them to
Pumpkin from France.
And
Yes.
I have a question for you. These pumpkins that they use for carving, can you eat them? I mean,
Probably.
is it, I don't know, because the ones that you carve are special than the ones that you use to make soup, I've noticed. Tell me what you use these ones that you do for carving, what you use them to do other than carving.
Grape from Spain.
It's from Spain?
Spain.
Oh.
Of
C'est
course.
quoi en français, Sarah? Sarah, c'est quoi en français?
Jimbo.
Non.
Bread.
C'est quoi ça en français? Grapes en anglais. C'est quoi en français? Bravo. Raisin. Raisin.
We have,
Hamburger.
No, it's not hamburger. It's hamburger bread.
we have the.
No, Tyler. Non, non, non. C'est pas une bonne idée, ça.
Non, pas dire.
Non.
Ça va tomber.
Enlève tout.
Et ta soeur, tu sais qu'elle va faire tomber. En plus, tu mets les œufs.
Tyler is
No.
making a mountain with the things. It's not a good
And
idea.
you put
at
the
all.
eggs on top of it.
The eggs of everything.
We have apple from
Sarah, let's
France.
just go. Whoosh.
Apple from France, and we have salad or rocket from
Rocket is
Italy.
arugula in English.
From Italy.
Oh, is where you look. Oh, Italy.
We have to show. Okay, I think this is from France for the
Mama.
chicken. And I'm right.
Yes, we soon cut the
So it's
pumpkin
more
later,
the
okay?
veggies, fresh veggies that here will go in summer that we have to import. But I don't think we import
Papa, ça c'est quel
the
pays?
meat or whatever.
We have mushroom, c'est quoi? C'est quoi en français?
Champignon.
Oh, we have this
Bravo,
from USA.
champignon. From USA,
From
okay.
USA for the pecan nuts. Pecan nuts.
We have a little candle to put inside of the pumpkin.
Oh, your donuts is gonna be
I
from France.
finally found
The donuts will be from
what
France.
is this, celery?
Donut.
You can't have donuts or chocolate bread or whatever from another country. You
C'est
won't.
pas possible.
No. It's like
Not
yogurt.
possible.
If I put yogurt, it will be
Chocolate
from
milk of
France.
Sarah.
The fish can be from anywhere.
Popcorn from France.
Yeah, in Vietnam. Vietnam.
Yaourt, yogurt, and then we have fromage. Fromage. What is fromage in English? That's your job for today, to write in the comment section what is fromage.
Easy.
That one should be easy for you guys.
Sarah shall go eat all of the
Oh my
raspberries.
gosh, Sarah, no more. Fini.
If you let the raspberry like this,
She's
you think she
obsessed
can
with
eat all of it.
raspberry here. She just eating away. The pack almost finished. Ham, jambon. Ooh, babe, find something special.
Rice cake.
Tell them what that is.
Oh, we have a cœur coulant. This is a, we call it
Candy.
fondant in French. It can be
No,
anything,
finish.
but mainly
Gonna
you
be
find
long
it in
soon.
chocolate or caramel. Is a cake where inside is running. So when you
Babe love cakes like
so
that.
when you warm this, you have to warm it like 20 or 30 seconds, no more. Because if you warm it longer, the caramel for this one become hard and it will lose all of the purpose. No running. The purpose is the running. Everything is in the running.
Everything is more yogurt, more yogurt.
Noodles, chicken.
There's only yogurt in this bag and steak caché to make hamburger.
Back to the roots. We have a cake we used to love and get almost every week. It's called le chinois, the Chinese. That's just the name, not from Chinese.
When did I discover this cake? Tell them.
When you was pregnant.
When I was pregnant with Tyler, I couldn't go without this cake.
Well, I introduced the cake to
Mama,
her.
behind you.
That's fine. We buy more candy for Halloween.
Candy. Look,
Alright, it's time for the rock, paper, scissors.
Sarah is the champions, undefeated
What's
champion since a good time
3
now.
weeks. 3 weeks in a row, Ty. Come on. Let's go.
I'm
Ready?
gonna beat you this time. Look in my eyes. Look at me in my eyes. Look. I'm gonna kick your ass. Alright.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You know what was nice about this? He tell Tyler to look him in his eyes, and the entire game Tyler go like this. And look at him at the Tyler kick his butt. Okay, I'll stop
Both of
screaming.
us, Mama, now. Mama, both of us now.
So she changed her routine from the shuffling and telling me to stop screaming. Alright, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two times. Anybody with this win? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. big face like that. You have to stay to the side. Go, me not the voice. 1-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 for baby already. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my God. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I like you playing
This
this.
is 2-3 for us.
Undefeated. You always kick my ass.
This is 1-3, Mama. 1-3.
I didn't even win one with him.
You didn't even tie one. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
At least another time we win us 3. Another time we win us 3.
Anyway, you guys, we're going to go eat some lunch right now. Gonna eat some pizza. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's supermarket haul. Oh, get down. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna go pack all these things and eat some lunch. We're in town. Look at my girl. Sarah, no, stand on it. Sarah. She dropped on her butt. Now we're at the library. This girl and these books. Girl, you guys, we've been on the road. We are in Centertown. The road is so busy. Oh my gosh, it's vacation time and it's like everybody's out on this Saturday afternoon. The road is so busy, so much people out. But I got to pick up everything that I wanted to pick up. I went to Sephora to pick up my concealer. That's finished, and I went to buy some braids to braid my hair, and now we're at the library dropping off books and picking up books for the kids. So Sarah is choosing the ones that she wants to take home. Sarah, what? Tyler, traffic there?
On to go to Nice Étoile, right?
Oui. Oh, you're doing the other entrance?
Yeah, from the back.
From the back. We're in these trees.
It's after it's harder to
Stop.
Come on. Red means stop. That's true. But look, what color is it now? Yes.
Careful, stop.
We're in the streets. You guys, the weather is so good. It's unbelievable that it's the end of October and it's this good. The way how the September started out, we thought that we would have been in big jacket by now, but it make a complete turn and it's so warm. The weather feels so good. Look who showed up. My baby showed up. Hey, 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 I'm over here. I'm over here. Yes, I'm over here. I am over here. Yes, I'm over here. You don't miss me? But a girl can smile. You don't miss me? You're growing up so much. You know that? You don't miss me. You don't miss me.
Hey,
You don't miss me. Look at these three. Cats, dogs, poos, everything in one. When you don't see your friends for a long time, this is what happens.
Now the people in the road.
In the middle of the road. They see each other for 15 minutes. 15 mega minutes. Look at them. Anila, I am obsessed with your hair. Yours too. Neat. But I love to see when it's flowing in the wind. You can't do that. You're not a girl, right? Yours have to well neat and intact.
Just put it into you. No, Optimus.
We want to live for baby sister. What a boy. Well, what? Anila, how is karate going?
No.
Jiu-jitsu.
Amori,
Amori, come here. How is sports going? Yeah. That's why you have so much energy.
Amori,
Hold
no.
on, they didn't go today?
They don't have today.
Ah.
Girl, vacation time, they changed the whole schedule on me. I said,
Oh, hi, princess. Hi, princess. Hi, princess. What, you know, say it's 4 weeks since I see you. You know that? 4 weeks since I see you. But a girl can smile.
And
You know what them say? You know what them say about girl that can smile? No bother with it with all this smiling. You're too cute. You're dark, yeah. You're too cute. And it's a hot one, yeah. Look at her. Maybe show them the entire look, you know. Maybe show them the whole look when you come a road.
Attends, j'enlève les livres.
Mama!
Allez, mais c'est bon.
Come up, Sarah. Come up here. Tickle him. Tickle Tyler, make him can't get up. Tickle him.